Leo, ordering food in English is not that hard.
Really? Try doing it at a busy restaurant. The waiter's writing fast, people are waiting behind you.
Okay, maybe it's a little hard.
Welcome back to Leo and Anna English, everyone.
Today we're talking about restaurant English. How I order food like a native speaker.
And Anna just volunteered to be our test case.
I did not volunteer.
You said it's easy, so you're the expert today.
That's not what I said.
Okay, let's start from the beginning. Anna, have you ever felt nervous at a restaurant?
In English? Absolutely. My first time in the US, I went to a diner alone.
Oh, a real American diner. How was it?
The waiter came over super fast. He said, "What can I get for you, hun?"
Hun. Did you know that word?
I had no idea. I thought I did something wrong. I just pointed at the menu and said, "This."
Just this?
Just this. He was very patient, though.
That's a great story, Anna. So, hun is short for honey. It's a friendly word waiters use in casual places.
I know that now. Back then, total panic.
Okay, so lesson 1, don't panic.
Easy for you to say.
I panicked too my first time, I promise. I ordered a large coffee and said, "I want coffee."
What's wrong with that?
It sounds a little direct, a little demanding.
Really? But "I want" is correct English.
It is correct, but native speakers usually say, "Can I get a large coffee, please?" Or even softer, "I'd like a large coffee."
Ah, "I'd like." That's more polite.
Right, "I want" sounds like a child asking.
I want candy.
Exactly. So in a restaurant, use "I'd like" or "Can I get?"
Can I get sounds very American to me.
It is very casual, very natural.
Okay, so we have two phrases so far. I'd like and can I get?
Let's practice. Anna, you're the customer. I'm the waiter.
Oh, this is fun.
Welcome. Are you ready to order?
Yes. Can I get the chicken pasta, please?
Great choice. Anything to drink?
I'd like a glass of water, thank you.
Perfect. That sounded completely natural.
Hey, I'm a natural.
Okay, but here's where it gets tricky. What if you don't understand the waiter?
Oh, that happens a lot.
The waiter might ask, "How would you like that cooked?"
How would you like it cooked? For a steak, right? Like well done or medium?
Exactly. Medium, medium rare, well done.
I once said cooked when they asked how I'd like my steak.
Just cooked?
I meant fully cooked. I didn't know the words.
That's actually a great language highlight moment. So for steak, the options are rare, medium, medium well, or well done.
Rare means a little red inside, right?
Yes, the more done, the less red.
I always say well done. I don't like pink meat.
Good to know. Now, what about side dishes?
Side dishes? Things that come with the main meal?
Right, the waiter might ask, "What sides would you like?"
And the options are usually on the menu.
Yes, you can say, "Can I get the salad on the side?"
Or, "I'd like fries instead of salad."
Instead of. Good one, Anna.
I learned from a real-life disaster.
Tell me.
I ordered a burger. It came with coleslaw. I don't like coleslaw at all.
What did you do?
I ate it, all of it, because I didn't know how to say no.
Oh, Anna, you should have said, "Can I get fries instead, please?"
I know that now. Back then, I was too shy.
Being shy at restaurants is so common. But here's the thing. Waiters hear mistakes all day. They don't care. They just want to help you order.
Oh, that's good to hear.
Also, if something comes out wrong, you can say, "Excuse me, I think I ordered the salmon, not the steak."
Polite but clear.
Exactly. Not angry, just calm and clear.
What about asking for the bill at the end?
Good question. In American English, you say, "Can we get the check, please?"
In British English, it's "Can we get the bill?"
Right. Both are correct, just different.
Check is American, bill is British.
If you're not sure, either one works. They'll understand.
Okay, wait. I want to challenge you, Leo.
Challenge me? How?
I want you to order a full meal in under 5 phrases. Show me how a native speaker does it.
Oh, easy. Okay, ready?
Ready.
Hi, can I get the grilled salmon with a side salad? I'd like the dressing on the side, please. And a sparkling water. Oh, and medium rare.
Wait, medium rare salmon?
No, forget that last part.
So even the expert makes mistakes?
Okay, fine, you win this round. But seriously, that was really clear and natural. 5 phrases, and you can order almost anything. Let's review them quickly. Okay, number 1, can I get the... Number 2, I'd like the... Number 3, can I get instead of... Number 4, excuse me, I think I ordered... And number 5, can we get the check, please? 5 phrases. Anyone can learn these. And here's a bonus tip. Always say please and thank you.
Oh, absolutely. It makes a huge difference. Waiters notice, they treat you better. It's not just about speaking English, it's about being a kind customer.
Exactly. Language and kindness together.
Okay, but Leo, I have a harder scenario.
Go on.
What if you have a food allergy?
Ooh, that's really important. Like you're allergic to nuts. How do you say that?
Simple, but serious. I'm allergic to nuts. Does this dish have nuts in it? And if you're not sure, ask, what's in this?
What's in this is super useful. Or, what does this come with? I use that one a lot now. Before I was just guessing from the menu.
You know, guessing from the menu is actually fine, but asking is always better.
Less surprise coleslaw.
Exactly. No surprise coleslaw. Okay, here's another situation. What if you don't understand the menu at all?
Great question. Menus can be confusing. Lots of fancy words for simple food, like pan-seared or house-made.
Pan-seared just means cooked in a pan with butter. So it sounds fancy, but it's just fried.
Pretty much. What about house-made?
House-made means they made it in their kitchen, like house-made bread. They baked it themselves.
Oh, that actually sounds good.
It usually is. But if you're not sure, ask. What's house-made sauce like? Is a perfectly fine question.
I used to be too embarrassed to ask.
A lot of people are.
I thought asking questions meant I wasn't smart enough.
No. Asking questions means you care about your meal.
That's a nice way to think about it. And waiters, they love when people ask. It means you're engaged. You want a good experience.
Okay, so don't be shy. Ask away.
Ask away. Great phrase, Anna.
Thank you. I learned it somewhere. What about when you want to share dishes?
Oh, sharing. Very common in many cultures. You can say, we'd like to share the pasta. Or, can we get 2 plates for 1 dish? Some restaurants charge extra for sharing.
True, you can ask, is there a sharing charge?
That's useful. I never knew how to ask that.
Now you do.
What about when the food takes too long?
You can say, excuse me, I've been waiting for a while. Could you check on my order?
That's polite, not rude.
Always polite, even when you're hungry.
Especially when you're hungry.
Right. Hangry people say things they regret.
I have a confession.
What?
I once sent food back.
Really? What happened?
I ordered soup and it was cold. I mean, really cold. Not warm enough cold. Ice cold.
So what did you say?
I said, excuse me, my soup is cold. Could I have it warmed up, please?
That's perfect. Exactly right.
The waiter was so nice about it. He said, of course, I'm so sorry about that.
See, restaurants want you to be happy. They're not going to be angry at you for saying something's wrong.
I think that's the biggest fear, right? People are scared to speak up.
Yes, especially in a second language.
You think, what if I say something wrong? What if they don't understand me? But here's what I've learned after years of this. Nobody laughs at you for trying. And if they do, find a better restaurant.
Okay, let's talk about one more thing.
What's that?
Making special requests.
Good call. What kind?
Like, can I have the sauce on the side?
Very common. Or can I substitute fries for salad?
Substitute. That's the word. So useful.
It means swap one thing for another. Can I substitute the rice for potatoes?
Exactly. Most restaurants say yes, but if they say no, don't argue.
Right. Just say, no worries, that's fine.
No worries is such a useful phrase.
Hey, language highlight time. No worries means it's okay or don't worry about it. It's casual but super polite, like, sorry I'm late, no worries. Or, sorry we're out of salmon, no worries, I'll have the chicken.
Perfect. Use it everywhere, not just restaurants.
Okay, summary time.
Let's do it.
Today we covered phrases for ordering food. Can I get the, I'd like the, how to ask about ingredients, what's in this, how to send something back politely, and how to make special requests, substitutions, sides, allergies. And most importantly, be polite, be calm, don't panic. Everyone makes mistakes.
Here's something I really believe. A restaurant is just a conversation, nothing more.
That's a good way to think about it. You're not being tested, you're just talking.
Talking about food, the best topic.
The absolute best. If this episode helped you, share it with a friend, someone who's nervous about ordering in English. And follow Leo and Anna English for more practice.
We make English feel like a real conversation.
Because it is.
See you in the next one.
Bye, everyone.